Hey there, and welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, we're going to generate UUIDs using JavaScript. UUIDs are unique identifiers used in everything from databases to user sessions. Let's explore how we can build one with just a few lines of code. UUIDs are 128-bit values represented in a human-readable string. They're great for uniquely tagging users, devices, or transactions. Version 4 UUIDs are randomly generated, so they're perfect for client-side generation. Let's look at the JavaScript function that makes this possible. This function creates a UUID using the current timestamp and some randomness. We use a template string and replace the x's and y's with hexadecimal digits. The y positions follow UUID version 4 rules to ensure valid format. And just like that, you get a unique identifier every time you call it. The magic happens inside the replace function. We generate the random hex digits and use bitwise logic to follow UUID v4 standards. The result is a properly structured string, like so. It is a clever mix of randomness and format control. Every time we run the function, we get a different UUID. Notice how the structure remains consistent, even though the values change. This makes UUIDs great for things like database keys or API tokens. Let's see where we might use them in real projects. UUIDs are used everywhere behind the scenes, from assigning IDs in databases to identifying users or resources in APIs. They're essential in any app that needs to avoid ID collisions. Now that you can generate them on the fly, the possibilities are endless. So that's a simple and efficient way to generate UUIDs in JavaScript. We've used randomness, time, and format rules to build a valid string. Whether you're working on a small app or a big system, UUIDs are a must-have. Thanks for hanging out. Catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.